Hello, good morning. So this is XFX line number 1552. Yan, with backplate. Yan, by HDMI po. So as you can see, ito pang specs natin. Pakisin na lang po. Okay, sa ating sensor, ayan po, napakababa lang. Okay. Yan, ito naman po yung ating resolution using 1080p. Yan, running siya ng 1 hour and 25 minutes. So lampas na isang oras. Yan, dahil may ginawa ako. Okay. As you can see, ang reading, goods na goods po siya. Ayan, so with the extra tayo na 1549, so XFX. So ang problem nito, shorted, no power, replacing part. So okay na po, okay po siya. Yan, ito yung ating extra. Okay. Ayan, so super good. Okay, so yan po ang ating update sa video card repair. So problem nitong isa na to ay no display. Yan, not detected po siya. Yung napan-checking. Okay na po siya, for game testing na lang. Okay. Yan, so ito na po yung ating game testing. Ayan, so as you can see. So ito po siya, running siya na stress test. Yan.